said, buddy, kiss my pass. Grease monkey, hallelujah, pass the rag and the rye. Grease monkey, hallelujah, we ain't cleaning, that's alright. Turn the wrench, hit the bar, raise a little spark tonight. Grease monkey, hallelujah, we're alive and running right. There's a girl at Millie's Roadhouse, calls me Mr. Bad Idea. Pours my drink, then shakes her head like I'm the reason storms appear. She says, boy, when you gonna settle? I say, probably in a ditch. She says that tracks, then steals my cap and laughs like sin got rich. Spark plug pop, bar floor squeak, some men get holy. We just get loud by the end of the week. Skinner song, half dead. My knuckles hurt, my bike ran strong, and Millie kissed my forehead. Grease monkey, hallelujah, pass the rag and the rye. Grease monkey, hallelujah, one more bad joke before we die. Turn the key, like the dark, let the whole town testify. Grease monkey, hallelujah, we're still too dumb to say goodbye. Ooh, yeah. We hit the salvage yard at 10, coffee thick and tempers light, looking for forks, a rear fender brace, and something that still might bite. Big girl found a tank from 79, still painted candy green. I found a seat and half a tail light and a snake where the battery'd been. Saturday in the boneyard, rust jokes and broken dreams. Saturday in the boneyard, ain't as sad as it seems. Ooh, 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 ooh. Tommy pulled a bent ape hanger bar, said this one's calling me. We all said, Tom, that thing's junk. He said, so what? Same with me. The yard dog stole Ray's sandwich once, then slept beneath the wreck. Ray cussed that mutton, 3 fine steaks. We laughed till we near snapped our necks. Grease in the nails, sun on the heap. Some men go golfing, we go digging through mechanical grave. Truck bed full of steel nobody else would claim, but by next week those dead old parts would all be breathing flame. Saturday in the boneyard, rust jokes and sacred trash. Saturday in the boneyard. rich and laughs. Earl bought tacos. We found money. Yeah. I woke up mean in a motel chair, boots on, jaw locked tight. Bad coffee breath and a switchblade sun cutting through the blinds just right. My bike was out in the gravel lot, still ticking from the cold, like an old junk dog with one blind eye and more bite than soul. I got black top teeth and a motor mouth grin. Black top teeth, let the bad day in. No priest, no peace, no clean retreat, just me and the road and these black top teeth. And these black top teeth. A deputy stared at the gas pump line like he knew me from before. Maybe from fights, maybe from nights that ended with blood on a barroom floor. I tipped my hat and paid in cash, let that old V-twin cough. Some men talk hard in county like me, I just shake it off. Steel don't love and chrome don't pray, but both will stay with you till the last bad day. By noon I'd crossed 3 broken towns and one mistake too far. But trouble rides real good with me, like a cigarette burn on a guitar. I got black top teeth and a motor mouth grin. Black top teeth, let the bad world in. I don't sing sweet, I don't scare easy, just feed me miles and let me get greasy. Black top teeth, still chewing on the wind. He died out near the county line on a wet October bend. No drunk, no chase, just bad black leaves and one less brother left to spend. They handed me his wedding band in a plastic evidence sack. Said you knew his wife, I said enough. put it in my jacket back. Chapel Road, Mercy, heavy in my coat. Chapel Road, Mercy, and one thing stuck in my throat. Her place sat off a gravel lane, with toys out in the yard. A yellow bike, one dog tied up, and a woman gone stone hard. She opened up before I knocked, like grief can hear a motor far. I held that bag out in my hand, and suddenly felt small as sparks. No speech came clean, no comfort fit. Sometimes the holiest thing a man can do is stand there and admit it. She took the ring and thanked me once, then looked down at the floor. I saw his boots beside the mat, and couldn't take 1 second more. So I left my gloves there on the rail. Don't ask me why I did. Maybe 'cause some little thing should stay. For her, boy, for her, for him, for the kid. Chapel Road, Mercy, heavy in my chest. Chapel Road, Mercy, no man carries that one best. Chapel Road, Mercy, and I rode homeless. Crossroads west of Denton, where the shed run stays open late. Kane was leaning on the ice chest like 13 years could wait. He looked older, smaller maybe, but his eyes were just as mean. Same man who sold me out in Tulsa, same mouth, same gasoline. I came for gas, he came for ghosts. One of us was gonna choke on both. He said, still riding that old shovel. I said, still living off old lies. He smiled like a splitting dirty leather and spat out to the side. I could have swung, Lord knows I've swung for less than what he wore, but age will teach a man strange things, like not to make old wounds your chore. Pump lights hum, moss burn white, a killing urge ain't always right. this ain't the place. I said no and maybe not the year, then rode off before I changed my face. I came for gas, he came for ghosts, and neither one of us got what we came for most. Some wars stay lit, some just smoke, and some men grow too tired to joke. Chair in somebody else's yard, one boot gone, had in a rose bush, hangover hitting hard. My bike leaned drunk against a shade, mirror busted clean in half. There was barbecue sauce on my denim vest and somebody else's laugh. Cheap beer resurrection, rise up and ride again. Cheap beer resurrection for sinners, fools and friends. Turns out we left the Bluebird in a two with a jukebox bride. Not married for real, thank God for that, just drunk enough to try. Mac showed up with socket wrenches. Lucy brought coffee black. Said, boy, you ain't dead, which disappoints. I said, well, hell, I'm bouncing back. Wire it up, kick it twice. A bad night sometimes comes with morning advice. And strong, and my head hurt less than shame. We all sat on coolers in the shade, making jokes I can't reclaim. Cheap beer resurrection, rise up and ride again. Cheap beer resurrection, saved by smart-ass friends. Cheap beer resurrection, I ain't holy, but it mends. Roscoe's bar had Christmas lights, still hanging in July. One pool cue bent, one jukebox mean, and flies doing lazy figure eights nearby. I came in for a beer and shade, maybe one good lie, but a loudmouth kid in a denim vest said he didn't like my ride. Well, hell, I didn't like his face much either. He talked about my old school pipes like loud with some kind of crime. So I took one sip, set my glass down slow and said, son, I was loud before your time. Now his girl laughed first and that made it worse, and Roscoe groaned, not here again. Then the kid swung wide, missed by a mile, and hit the cooler sign dead on instead. Barstool slid, glass went south. Some nights get ugly and funny in the same mouth. Hit dirt in the parking lot, moonlight on busted pride. He split my lip, I skinned his chin, and his old truck wouldn't start when he tried. So I gave him a jump with my battery box, and he stood there black and blue. Said, you ain't so bad. I said, boy, you ain't smart. Then we both laughed like fools do. Well, hell, I didn't like his face much either, but hell, I liked that laugh by morning more. Some fights end bad, some end stupid, some end with both men too sore to keep score. Roscoe charged me for the sign. We lost him near the old state bridge, where the rail runs close and black. Cold November, frost on chrome, and no good reason coming back. A month went by and none of us could say his name out plain. So I rode there one hard midnight with a flare gun in the rain. Lonesome flare gun, red against the freezing dark. Lonesome flare gun, like grief trying to leave a mark. I stood beside that dented guardrail, boot heel sinking in the clay. Thought of all the dumb brave laughter he could throw at any day. Then I fired that flare straight upward, watched it burn and hiss and fall. And for one breath the whole wet river looked like it had a soul at all. No choir there, no clean goodbye, just one red wound hung in the sky. felt colder than before. That's the thing with gestures, brother, they don't shut no final door. Still I'm glad I lit that silence, even if it changed no fate. A man can know a thing is useless and still need it anyway. A lonesome flare gun, red against the freezing dark. Lonesome flare gun, I guess some grief just likes the spark. Lonesome flare gun, and me alone beside the mark. Smoke drifted down